Expensive EDA tools and complex design flows are used for chip design. Due to tools not working or some unknown flow-related issue, the project comes to a halt and the deadline is missed. For solution, the design engineer reports the issue to the internal IT support, or the EDA vendor support, which is a slow process, taking days or weeks to resolve. This delay affects product release, which is very costly. We have a faster and better way. Our artificial intelligence-based voice and chat assistant for EDA issues provides instant resolution in real time. And the engineer simply needs to converse or chat to get the desired resolution quickly. Using deep machine learning techniques, our technology self-learns and proactively informs engineer about tool versions, fixes, features, and options. Our solution can be integrated to standard customer relationship management platforms. And to ease the work of IT support team, we have a support interaction panel. 3D IP Semiconductors, Private Limited.